This is London with Bitcoin Spy. Quick update. In terms of the trades, we caught the drop today. I want to shout out to Venus. Look at this, guys. 2,400%. That's nearly 25x. I think it's over 25x now. That is beautiful in terms of the entry along that weekly 20 moving average, guys. And I told you, orders were waiting. Way to go, Venus. Way to go, VIP. Now, in terms of the move today, we got CPI. In terms of the breakout to the upside, it was beautiful to the upside then when we were at 26,000. Pay attention. This is London. Former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice, 26K, right? Looked nice. But what did I say to the VIP in the back? Look at this. In terms of 4 hour short is flashing. 4 hour short is flashing. Looking for confirmation on that. The move to the downside up and over that 200 weekly moving average. Boom. So this is where we called that short in terms of the confirmation. Guys, what do you look for? Well, you look for your over, your under in terms of your multi-time frame on your specific Bollinger Band. Look at your 3 minute, look at your 5 minute, look at your 1 minute, right? Look at your MACD cross time frame. Absolutely. Look at your RSI cross time frame. Where are we at on RSI? Guys, right when I told you guys that we were literally parked at overbought. Boom. What happened during the day? Boom. We backed off of being overbought. In terms of the details as well, pattern consideration, multi-time frame. We did have a downside, flat top resistance on the 30-minute time frame. We also, considering looking at golden short, boom. This weekly golden short has traded phenomenally well. You guys know that through this zone, it's provided multiple trades. This was a 6%, 7% move today. In terms of where we are at, pay attention, please, as you look at all your indicators, as you look at it, and I'll do a quick update. Technically looking at the specific for the move up to the downside, the symmetrical consolidation here, part of an expansion as well. Bitcoin's doing one thing quite well, and I want to note this for the record with all our traders, with you guys, is as we're expressing positive price action to the upside, Bitcoin is just providing the mentality that she is unbeatable. You guys get it? Every back off there is a launch to the upside. Today was the first kind of ringer to the downside that we got. Glad that I was able to bring at least that flashing signal, right, or fire and ice to the VIP. What I'll tell you is anytime that the market starts to create a little bit of an indestructible type of mentality, I pay a little bit of attention, okay, in terms of the overall psychological game that the market is for the traders. Guys, the challenge, I pay attention to things like that. I start looking at, well, what could be a potential downside? Potential downside on the hourly, for instance. Looking at this, is this a pretty nice, guys? A cup and a small handle here. This flat top resistance. Can we get to this? What would be required for that? You guys know our strategy with Bollinger Band. We take it from New York Institute of Finance. We need to maintain price underneath the hourly. Now, I am a bull by nature. You guys know that. But right now, we're parked in a bearish scenario on the hourly. So that would need to maintain. And frankly, Bitcoin would have to prove itself to be capable of being human for a minute. It's been a nice trajectory to the upside amidst all the down, let's say the negative moves, let's say news in the market, developments in the market with the banking sector, etc. These are difficult times. I'll tell you, if you hedged today with the CPI, you did extremely well. Guys, congratulations. Girls, congratulations. And you know who you are. In terms of VIP that I've shared that specific technique, that tactic with, if you hedged today, it was a beautiful move to the upside. You guys did well. If you didn't take the profits, I just tell you, and some guys are hedging heavily. Okay, if you didn't want to take a couple $100,000, if you didn't want to take 300, 400, 500 grand, if you don't want to take more than that, if that trader's making $1 million a day, I'll just tell you, if you didn't want to take it, hey, you're going to wait for the next CPI. You're going to wait for the next hedge opportunity. I say that a little tongue-in-cheek. Remember, guys, market's going to offer you returns. If you want to take them, that's a standard in terms of how you're approaching the market. The ones who are taking that quickly, they're missing out probably on the longer-term trades. Okay, so if you're geared towards those longer-term trades, it might be a great time for you to be geared towards that as we look at this specific pattern. The specific expansion typically on the 8 hourly is a bearish feature. What I like about this right now is it has the expression here, unless we fail this pattern on the 8 hourly, unless we fail that, we guys have a good chance of getting up north of 30 or back down to 15. Like, that's what I'm talking about, guys. Get north of 30, back down to 15. I reviewed today the video that I shot a live stream talking about compounding down into lower levels. This was recently when we were at the 200 weekly moving average, and I'll tell you where, guys, but talking about compounding down into these levels of exposure here. So if you watch that live stream and you compounded in to these levels, boom, guys, profit is your ticket. That's your word of the day. Congratulations. This is London, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. We'll get back involved in streaming. I had the computer repaired today. A brand new computer, top of the line. You guys know 49 all this great stuff. i9, 13th generation, just bells, everything, the Ferrari of computers, and it got here within a week. It had to be replaced. So we're working on the setup. I'm excited about 2023. You guys are going gangbusters to get it. Just wanted to get you a quick video. Okay, remember, 100 rounds, become consistent in 4 consecutive trades. Step up your trade amount. As we look at this with Venus, take a look at this, guys. That's a 25x. That's 25 times her money. That's one of several trades. And what I'll say is, to the extent that you become proficient in, start with the dollar trades. Go to $10 trades. Go to 100, 1,000. Go to, guys, we have people trading, like I say, we've had people with $1 million days. Okay? They're not trading $1,000. They're not trading $10,000. They're trading heavily. Like the CPI today was a great example of a heavy-hitting, big-handed opportunity just to clean up in the market. Anytime we get that kind of volatility, we look for it. That's what we do. We hunt it down. We get excited about it. If you missed the trade opportunity, if you don't know what hedging is, if these are all issues that you want to get more involved in, guys, you know, Number One Trade Group. We'll talk to you soon. And thanks for all your time, and we hope you're doing well. We'll be in the back, as always, trading. Guys, if you're VIP and you're not in the back, come on, huh? Maybe you're busy, but I don't think that's not gonna cut it. We want you in the back. We want you trading with us. If you're VIP, you contact me via Twitter on direct message and let me know, hey, London, I need to get in the back. I'll let you in, guys. I promise that, okay? This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We'll talk to you soon. Take care, guys, and let's go, Bulls. Nothing has stopped you yet. Nothing, right? So the only thing that you're parked at right now is the 200 weekly moving average. That's it. That's it. Now, we had that 4 hourly fire short. I need the 4 hourly to turn and fire long. That's the bottom line. I needed to turn and fire long, and I'll let VIP know when that occurs. Guys, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.